What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the MPOW MDots, and you can get these on Amazon for $23 as of this shooting of this video, March 2021. They do have a $4 coupon, so it kind of knocked down the price a little bit. Claim to have punchy base, IPX6 waterproof, 20 hours of twin and mono mode use. And let's see what we get. So these are another budget pair of earbuds. So so these ones, as you can see, these are like true buds, not the Apple-esque type. Left to right mono, waterproof. Okay, here's some of the specs on the back. 2-hour charging time, utilizes Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, all right, MPOW, let's see what you got. Again, I do like MPOW. They are a pretty good company. Definitely do good with the presentation, and never fails. Another solid outing. Let's see what we're working with here. For less than 20 bucks, micro USB. Want, but I'll take it because of the price. Get the charging case, get some silicone tips, the usual books. And these are the buds themselves. And see. So this is the size comparison to something like, so this is the case size, but to see the comparison as far as size, so a little bit smaller than the Buds Live. So these do have that in-ear design. So like I said in my other video, I don't want to keep you guys here too long. I'm gonna put it through the paces, give you my honest opinion, see what you get for, again, at the time of shooting this video, under $20 with the $4 coupon on Amazon. And see if it's one of those situations, you kind of get what you pay for, for the price. But again, a lot of people trying to save money. Nothing wrong with that. I'm definitely in that category. So there you go. So I'd highly appreciate you guys do all that great YouTube stuff. It definitely helps out the channel. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, you guys take care of each other. Peace.